Hello, and welcome to the Shurley English 2-Minute Tip. Today we are going to look at the correct usage of a lot. Have you ever wondered which one of these three is correct? You don't have to be up in the air or in the dark wondering about correct usage. Let's briefly look at each one of these. ALLOT is a verb. It means to assign as a share or portion of something. Take a look at this sentence for an example. We completed the test in our allotted time. LOT is usually used as a noun. It means an object used as a counter in determining a question by chance, a portion, or your fate. For example, I could say, we drew lots to determine the volunteer. Or to show a portion of land, I might say, we purchased the lot next to the river. Using lot as fate, I might say, it seemed that my lot in life was decided. The article A used in front of lot is a common phrase meaning a large number or extent. This phrase is used in informal speaking or writing. For example, I might say, we purchased a lot of pencils for our class. You may have seen ALOT written as one word. However, when written as one word, a lot is incorrect. The article A is an indefinite or non-specific article. It should not be considered part of the word itself. Correct usage is important when you're communicating effectively, whether that is in speaking or writing. Thank you for joining me for our allotted time together. Please visit us on YouTube and on our website at www.shurley.com.